Hello, in this video I'm going to be unboxing a Samsung Galaxy A14 G5. This is what the box looks like after I opened it. And that's the cell phone in the box. This is the contents that were in the box. It has a SIM card and the phone. Okay, I cut the label here to open the box. And then in the box, there's the phone. It has one of those pins to get the SIM card out, and then inside here has the looks like the cable. And some instructions. So that's what was inside the box. I took the protective cover off of the phone, and on the right side of the phone we have the power button and the volume control. On the back of the phone we have the cameras. Looks like there's 3 of them, and the Samsung logo. On the bottom of the phone we have what looks like a speaker, a USB-C port, a hole which is probably a microphone, and a headphone jack. On the top of the phone there's a hole. I'm not sure what that's for. And on the left side of the phone there's the slot for the SIM card and the SD card. I powered the phone up and I went through the startup settings, and I just wanted to show what it looks like when it's powered up.